Hi po. Meron akong comment na medyo challenging siya. Pero madali naman siyang sagutin. Ito yung comment niya. Ito na. If I ordered already something and the address was my old house and I changed the delivery booking, is there a possibility that my order will deliver in my new address? No split. Tinatanong niya kung maidi-deliver daw ba yung order niya doon sa bago niyang address. Pero, ang ginamit niya doon sa pag-place ng order niya is the old address. Okay. No. It will not be delivered in your new address because you use your old address. When you place an order, it is already locked and you cannot change any information in your order details. You cannot change your name, you cannot change your address, and you cannot change your cell phone number. But you can change the booking information. Sabihin ng booking, delivery booking, ito yung pagpapalit niya ng shipping courier o delivery courier. After placing an order, you can change the delivery courier. May tatlo kang pagpipilian na courier kung sino at alin doon ang gusto mong mag-deliver ng order mo. But, if you place an order, you cannot change the delivery address because it is already locked. No way. The only way that you can change your address is to cancel your order and repurchase again. And before clicking the place order button, double check old address to your new address. That is the only time you can change your address. But after placing an order, you cannot do that. And, ang hirap. Kung ano yung nandun sa address na linagay mo, doon yung may di-deliver. Kasi ang tanong niya, may di-deliver daw ba doon sa new address niya? Eh, ang ginamit niya doon sa pag-order is yung old house. Hindi. Kung ano po yung ginamit before placing an order, doon po mai-deliver yun. It is very impossible that your order will be delivered to your new address. Kung ano po yung nakalagay sa order details, yun po ang masusunod. It was stated in your airway bill, already recorded. So it's very impossible that your order will be delivered in your new address. Ang hirap. Ang hirap. So before placing an order, double check your information, double check your address, and double check your cell phone number.